Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about the functions of left or right deletion or keeping. So let's say here an example that I have those emails of a students for example. So I want to keep the student ID without the extension of at and gmail.com. So doing this one by one it will be time consuming. So for in Excel I can do it automatically. Just I will do with the first one and then it will be applied to the rest of these emails. So as I said, I want to keep the student numbers up to at. So I don't want to get the at gmail.com. Just I want to keep the student number. So I will start with the left function. So first I need to type left, then sorry, I also need to add the equal function, then left, open the bracket, and then define the cell that I have this data, which is E6. So typing E6, then comma, and here decide how many characters you want to keep. So here the student ID are 5 characters, 5 numbers. So I'll type 5 and then close the bracket and then hit the enter. See now I got the number only without at gmail.com. Now I'll apply this for the rest. Now I'm getting all of these student IDs automatically by doing this. Now let's do it the other way around. I want to keep at gmail.com without student name. For example, so I do it here from right. Again, equal sign, then here I will type right instead of left, and then open the bracket and define the cell that I want to do, which is E6 again, comma, and also now decide how many characters that I want to keep. So at 1, Gmail 5, then dot, another character, and com, com, 3 characters. Now in total I have 11. So I will type 11 and then close the bracket and hit the enter. Sorry, it's supposed to be I think 10. So now because I see at Gmail with also the number 1. So if I go back again and then reduce the number here from 11, I will just type 10. See? Now the number 1 has been removed, so I kept only at gmail.com. Again, if I want to apply it for the rest, just drag it down and you'll see that all of these emails just I kept at gmail.com without the student name. Here on the left side, I kept only the student IDs without the extension of the email. So this is the function of right and left in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.